Alright, so I was just recording on my camera, ready to go shoot this video, and then it died. So I'm going to be shooting this on my phone right now. I'm going to be trying out the YouTube capture app, I guess. And yeah. But what I talked about in the last video is this keyring. Some people like it. I liked having the option beforehand, but now I find it just kind of annoying how it digs right into your hand as you're cutting or can opening or whatever with it. So it just sticks right into your hand, and it's pretty annoying. So I'm gonna end up cutting it off today and grinding it back, getting it all taped up and such. So yeah. So I'm going to be trying out these wire cutters first. Should work. Yep, it does. So that's where it's at. And I'm just going to go grind that away. There she is. If it would focus. There we go. And all the wear that you see on here is actually from beforehand. The only thing that I got from the grinder was that little silver scrape on the edge. It's not perfect, but again, this is just for functionality. Yep. Alright. Thanks for watching.